Hi, imagine being at a royal banquet where the king loses his grip on reality in front of everyone. Shakespeare's Macbeth has one of the most gripping and intense scenes ever written. Stay with me, Ajanta ma'am, as we break down the famous banquet scene and unravel Macbeth's unraveling mind and discover the deeper meanings behind Shakespeare's words. Macbeth has become the king by murdering Duncan, but Banquo's prophecy troubles him. What does he do? The banquet is a public celebration, but internally Macbeth is tormented. The ghostly apparition of Banquo appears, and Macbeth sees him at the table which no one else can see. From celebration to chaos, marking a turning point in Macbeth's psyche and his rule. Thou canst not say, I did it. Never shake thy gory locks at me. Meaning, Macbeth tries to absolve himself of Banquo's murder, showing his guilt and fear of being exposed. What are the key words used here? Guilt, hallucination, and Banquo's ghost. Then he says, what man dare I dare? Approach thou like a rugged Russian bear, an armed rhinoceros take any shape but that, and my firm nerves shall never tremble. Meaning, Macbeth challenges the ghost but reveals his inner fear. The imagery shows his desperation to act fearless. Keywords here: courage, imagery, fear, and guilt. It will have blood, they say. Blood will have blood. Here Macbeth means violence leads to more violence, and Macbeth here fears retribution. This is a foreshadowing of his downfall. What are the key words? Foreshadowing, guilt, and retribution. The key themes: guilt and hallucination. Macbeth's guilt manifests through Banquo's ghost. The banquet reveals Macbeth's failing ability to maintain composure as king. Foreshadowing. This scene hints at Macbeth's eventual downfall due to his unchecked imagination. Macbeth's fear and Lady Macbeth's composure is contrasted. The importance of staging the ghost is visible to the audience but not to the other characters. Do you think Banquo's ghost was real, or was it all in Macbeth's mind? What would you do if you were Lady Macbeth at the banquet? Macbeth's banquet scene is a master class in drama and psychology. And if you enjoyed this breakdown, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more English literature insights. Let me know your favorite moment from this scene in the comments below. Thank you. This is Ajanta ma'am of Concept Clarity.